Here's another story, folks. Story 5. New North American auto content rules. So the Trump administration is reportedly wants tougher North America vehicle content rules under USMCA. The proposal would increase the North American content requirement and add major US built content requirement that could reshape where vehicles are built and how automakers source parts. But here's where buyers need to pay attention. When automakers are forced to quickly reorganize supply chains, that cost usually goes somewhere. And many times it ends up in the sticker price. My take is bringing more manufacturing to the US sounds good. But if the transition is not handled carefully, customers may see high prices, fewer affordable trims, and more confusion at the dealerships. So Mitsubishi and Nissan are working together on a pickup truck for the North America. This could give Mitsubishi a real shot at getting back into a serious truck conversation. The midsize pickup market is already competitive with the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, GMC Canyon, and Nissan Frontier. Mitsubishi cannot come in lazy. My take is this is a smart move if the truck has real personality, strong pricing, and good durability. But Mitsubishi simply rebadges something without giving buyers a reason to care. It will get ignored. The pickup market is brutal. Either bring value or you disappear. Hello everybody and welcome. Thanks for watching the news, and let me know in the comment below if you appreciate this type of segments so I can produce more of them. Then like and subscribe. Before you buy your next car, watch this, because the auto industry gave us one clearest warnings we have seen all year. Luxury brands are struggling to make EVs exciting. Automakers are rethinking electric plans. Major recalls are hitting Ford, Hyundai, Subaru, Honda, Acura, and others. Robotaxis are moving closer to the roads. Chinese automakers are pushing deeper into Europe. And add-to-ride repair is becoming a national fight, which President Trump got involved in. So this is not just another week of car news. This is about trust. Can you trust your vehicle? Can you trust the technology? Can you trust the company? And most importantly, should you spend your hard-earned money on it? Welcome back to Berdy Automotive News Update. Let's get into it right now.